Good morning, dears. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Today I'm making soft and delicious pancake and easy peasy tortilla wraps. This is best for kids' lunchbox. Let's start. In a bowl, add 2 eggs. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and blend it well. This is the texture you will get. Now add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Mix it till you get this sticky dough. Now add water till you get the smooth consistency. Check the consistency, it's smooth but little thick. You can feel the heaviness in the whisk. So I'm adding little more water. Now the batter is light and flows smoothly. And check the consistency here. This is the consistency you have to get. When you're making pancakes or French toast, always make in a smaller burner. There is a less chance of getting burned. Bubbles have formed all around. Now cover the pancake with a lid. Later uncover the pancake and flip it. Whenever you make the pancakes, keep the flame in low or medium low. This is very important step. Super delicious and soft pancake is ready. If you like the recipes, you can support me by pressing subscribe and like button. In a same pan, I've added oil and 5 cut tomatoes. Now flip this tomato so that it cook equally both the side. I have taken 3 eggs and added pepper powder and chili powder and pour this on tomatoes and add chopped onions and mozzarella cheese and keep a tortilla wrap on it, or you can use the leftover chapatis or rotis for this. When all the sides are cooked, flip it. Now add chili garlic sauce or any sauce of your choice and keep the flame in low and spread this around. Super simple pancake is ready. Check the pancake, it looks so good and so soft. Definitely you will make it again. And I just want to say, don't reduce the sugar for this pancake batter. You need 3/4 cup of sugar. Lunch, we are going out in Maldives. You can book a taxi with this Hours app. This restaurant is known for Sri Lankan and Indian cuisine. We ordered for Indian food. The flavor was good, but biryani taste was little different. This restaurant is in Malé. If you like to visit, the name of the restaurant will be in the description box. I ordered for Mean Colombo combo and my elder son ordered for this Murg Makhani combo. My husband, he went for this mutton chettinad combo, and my younger one, he loves biryani, so we ordered for chicken biryani. When you're out of India, you don't get exact authentic flavor, but it is somewhere close to the taste, but it was satisfying. But you can check my other few vlog. I have shown few restaurants. You can visit there also. Evening time and weekend, what better way to enjoy this evening with everyone's favorite Parippu Vada ya Chana dal vada. I clean the curry leaves and green chili in vinegar water, soak it for a minute, then wash. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് റെസിപ്പീസ് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ലൈക്ക് ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഈ ചാനലിനെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. For Parippu Vada, you need 1 medium-sized onion chopped and 2 inch of ginger and 5 to 6 dry red chilli and 4 big garlic cloves with skin. Because this is big, that's why I'm cutting and adding. If it is Indian garlic, you can directly add to the mixer. And add 5 green chilli. You add according to your spice level. Add onion in a mixie jar along with other ingredients. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of fennel seed, that is perujeeragam, and crush it. You can use the pulse mode to crush. Instead of adding chopped onion, chilies, ginger directly, it's better to crush it then add. This will enhance the flavor. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of chana dal, that is split chickpeas. To get a good crisp for vada, I have soaked this chana dal for 7 hours. Take 4 tablespoons of chana dal, keep it separately. If matar dal or peas dal is available, you can make vada with it. I tried it, but not much difference. Add the chana dal in a mixer and coarsely crush it. Don't make a paste, then there will be no crisp in vada. You can use the food processor to coarsely crush the chana dal. This will give the good texture while frying. Add 3/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, and 3 tablespoons of soaked chana dal. And add 2 strands of curry leaves, finely chopped. When you are adding soaked chana dal, add 3 to 4 tablespoons. Don't add more, the binding will be difficult. It will break while frying. In a kadai, add oil, keep the flame in medium. When oil becomes hot, make vada the way I am showing in this video. The side of the vada should be thin and center should be thick. For crispy vada, make the vada size small. You will get a perfect crispy vada. Oil should be medium hot while frying, otherwise it will turn dark color and inside will be undercooked. Now check this vada. This looks so crispy and awesome. After having vada, the body needs exercise also, so everything should be in balance. So I love walking, but sometime rainy day I use treadmill at home. On the way to my walking spot, there is a park. Come, I'll show you a glimpse of it. Check the double-decker buses here. The buses are well maintained and it's free for student. To know the time schedule, you can download the app mtcc.mv. It's written on the buses. It is the first cross sea bridge in Maldives. 2 kilometers bridge connect Malé and Hulmale Island, where the Malé International Airport is located. Both the side of the bridge, they have left space for the people to walk. Check the view. It's amazing. So I always prefer to walk. Those who watched till the end, thank you so much for your support and time. Have a great day.